broke it in half on there? Oh! Why is he shaking? He's scared of Byron. Okay guys, today we're gonna be bringing out Mr. Gravedigger and Mr. Bigfoot again for some content at the last place you saw the Maxx Slashes come out and hit these huge jumps. So we're gonna see what breaks on these bad girls. But first of all, Byron got some new upgrades on Gravedigger. Come check them out. So, on Gravedigger, Byron still has a BO2S, but look at this.
Put the metal gear and the other metal gear. And then I got the green thing and put the green links on the back.
Nice.
Whereas I had the front ones already. I've actually got the wheelie bar, the green wheelie bar on the way.
Oh, sweet.
And then I think after that, I think all we're gonna do is see how long the 2S lasts, and then we'll go to 3S later.
Heck yeah, you gotta put her on 3S, man. They're too much fun. And so far as Bigfoot, guys, she's the same way last time you saw him. My grill just fell off. But we got a metal gear on here too, since we keep stripping gears. We'll see what breaks because we have a metal gear, but I'm excited to try it out.
Johnny Dang ain't around here.
Johnny Dang?
Yeah, Johnny Dang ain't around here. He can't make you a grill for that.
Paul Walker make me a grill. Woo! All right, guys, we're all ready to go here. Oh, nice. She sounds good on a metal gear.
Why are you shaking, bro?
The Gravedigger's already shaking. It's already scared of you. Look at him. Why is he shaking? He's scared of Byron. That's so sad. He's not even touching the remote. It's just shaking, dude. It's literally too scared of Byron. Woo! All right, Bigfoot. Let's see how long you last on a metal gear.
I think I broke the servo.
The servo's insane. Is your TSM on?
I don't think I had TSM.
What is it?
I mean, I have a TQI, but it's on a TQ receiver, I think.
Oh, that's weird. I've never seen a servo do this by itself. It's just freaking out.
Oh, it is. All right, let's go back.
Dang it. Yeah. Oh. All right, let's send Bigfoot off of our first original jump. Yeah. Here comes Gravedigger. Yeah. Woo. Land. Oh, don't worry, Byron. I'll come smack you. Whoa. Whoa. The Bigfoot's in the tree. Whoa. I will. Oh my gosh. Bigfoot. What are you doing, buddy?
I think he's tired of going by.
Yeah, he's just hanging by a tree limb.
Oh. No.
It's wrapped around. Let's see. All right, we gotta get Bigfoot out of the tree here. Oh my gosh, it is all wrapped around that axle. Still works perfectly. Oh my gosh. Nice. Bro, just digging up clay. Just digging up clay. So Bigfoot will do like quadruple backflips on this thing. So I wonder what he'd do on the biggest ramp down there. What'd you do?
He's done.
Oh, it's back to shaking. I think you just got to warm up with him and then he'll stop shaking.
Oh. Well, I died.
Let's see Bigfoot on this little jump here. Wow. Here goes Gravedigger on the big jump. Woo! He made it.
I don't think he made it. I think he died.
Now for the moment of truth. Let's see Bigfoot on this huge jump. Oh. Gravedigger! Nice!
Oh, you broke the wheelie bar, bro.
I finally broke it. Here I come. Ooh. Something just died. Something just died. I broke it in half? I broke it in half on that? Oh! Oh no! Oh my gosh, I broke the chassis. Oh my god.
Blue piece and everything.
It stopped working too.
Oh, it came unplugged.
Oh yeah, it did. Oh my god, Bigfoot is broken in half, guys. Oh, and I blew the tire. Oh well, that was fun while it lasted. It is our biggest giveaway. This is our 20,000 subscriber giveaway. Win yourself a brand new red Traxxas Maxx with these brand new t-shirts that we just have designed. So for every $5 equals 10 entries, go win yourself a brand new red Max on lifeofballin.com now. Good thing we have that other Bigfoot chassis.
Yeah. I think Gravedigger last.
I don't know. Gravedigger lasted longer than me.
I mean, we know that he's not though, because his steering is crap.
Nah, he's fine. He's still drivable. I can't drive mine. Actually, I'll put a battery back in mine and see. Nice. So when you saw it, did you see it snap when it hit?
It just, the front end went.
I was on the other side over there, so I couldn't see it when it landed.
No, it just, whenever it landed, pretty sure that's where it landed right there, because there's a big old chunk taken out.
Yeah.
But it just, the truck went like this. It went.
That's so sad. It's being held on by the servo wires.
Yep. Poor Bigfoot.
Poor Bigfoot. Land. Oh.
That's the only thing that I hate about the Stampedes.
Yeah, they flip over too much.
Over. I think we can just JB weld all that.
Yeah, we can. Whee! Oh! Oh, it's in the woods.
Now, one thing you gotta watch out for over here in Texas, them their dang old rattle boos.
The rattle boos, they scare you. Well, usually my gear breaks in Bigfoot first, but this time it was the chassis. Whoa! Hey! Whoa!
I have to get them all the way down too.
Man, that's weird. Whee! Nice. Oh, that was a good little wheelie. I jumped right before. There you go. Hey man, you broke Bigfoot.
Man, those are some good bearings.
Yeah, there are some good bearings. Look at that.
I do highly recommend Fast Steady bearings.
All right, I'm gonna plug the battery back in and see if I can drive it back. So it's easy now to plug in the battery.
Ain't got no power. The body.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
Like stuck itself. Oh.
Extendo mod. Come on, guys. We got to get past this hole. We got to get past this hole.
That's the short version of the Stampede.
Oh my god. But it's Traxxas. It still works. It's broken in half.
It might be time just to throw Bigfoot into the trash.
Yeah, get another one. Wait for it. Hey! I'm coming after you. Can I
Just floor it.
I can't turn. And it seemed to have caught underneath itself. Oh my god. Nice. Oh. I'm trying to hit the jump.
Oh, you ain't gonna hit no jump.
Look what I back up.
I know. Oh. Trying to make this.
Yes, it is. Oh. Oh my God. In and out. In and out. Oh, you left him retarded. Look at. Oh. Whoa.
All that progress you made.
Oh, my lights.
Let's just see one thing real quick. Kinda, sorta. Hey, look at that. Still driving normal.
Yeah, he's getting up. You wouldn't even know. And he jumped. We're making it back, guys. Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Oh.
Oh.
Oh.
You missed that.
Oh. Oh, my toy. That's some strong wires right there. It's just holding on by those. Bigfoot has definitely seen better days. Well, Bigfoot has seen better days. She's completely in two pieces and only holding on by the wire. But as you saw, it's Traxxas tough and it still made it back to the car. So we're gonna have to go repair this and we'll see you next time. Oh my God. Yeah, that's a strong wire.
Yep. Garbage.
It is. All right, guys, back in the shop here. And as you can see, Bigfoot is completely split in half. It's only hanging on by the wire here. But if you guys remember that the first time I put this Bigfoot on 3S, I slammed it into a telephone pole. So there was already a fracture in this chassis. But we're going to go ahead and get it switched out for this old carcass that I have here. And she'll be back and running. But one final note before we end this video. When we took the Maxx Slash out there, the Maxx Slash did not have any problems. But we took Bigfoot out there, she did not make it back well. Hope you guys enjoyed. That just proves how strong the Maxx Slash really is.